All right, 1994 GMC. The clutch pedal hits this little switch back here underneath your dash. That initiates your start sequence. Make sure you change that. That's only like a $10 little switch. And then on top of the steering column, the key, when it engages, sets off this little switch here that slides back and forth. A rod will set in here where I have this Allen wrench, but I want you to note that these slots where the screws go in that holds it in place can move back and forth a little bit, and it's important. Your truck will not start if these are not positioned just right, and it can be off a 1/16 of an inch. So keep that in mind. This is usually your main culprit up here that keep your truck from starting when you have no crank and no start. Thanks for watching.